Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about information security controls. Um, Hackers are performing different kind of attacks from different ways. They are just not using the one method. They are using the multiple methods to perform an attack on an organization or on an individual. So we also need to have different kind of security controls so that we can stop the different kind of attacks or the attacks on our information system. Okay, so what exactly is the information security controls? The information, whether that's in the physical format we are having or in the our digital devices we are having, and we know each and every information is not for everyone. There are some kind of um, privacy should be there, some kind of importance should be on the certain type of information on certain area, so that we are putting a hurdle. We are saying no, you are not authorized to have access on certain part of information. Okay, to stop those unauthorized access, we create some controls, and that is information security controls. And what are those controls, and possibly we can implement? Basically there are four. First of all, you can say physical access control. Maybe we are having a certain server in our organization where we store our data. So we are saying without a specific card we have assigned to uh, the person who can access that server room, only they can visit the server room. And for the security point of view, we also have a door, so that anyone when will try to get access, they need to swap their card. Okay, or need to prove that they have the authority to have access. Or just we have guard or some any kind of fence we have to protect the physical access to the uh, area, certain area or certain information. Okay, another is procedural control. We are saying uh, to have access on the information, you follow certain rules, certain way of accessing it. So we are providing the awareness training. We are telling, if you are going to access the web server, what the precautions should be. When you are storing your credentials, what should be the procedure? When you are using the internet, what should be the best way to access it? Okay, so there is information based some set of rule regulations we are telling, use in this way. This is also a control, because we are educating them. We are on the mental level, we are saying no, this is the right way to access the information. Another is technical control. uh, Maybe you are using some kind of multi-factor authentication. Okay, or some kind of passwords you are using to access it. Some technical controls are there. Okay, another thing is compliance control. Your company is just coming under certain compliance. They need, your company need to follow those compliance. So to intact the information which is coming under the compliance, there are certain set of instructions which you need to follow. These are also controlled, because each and everything you cannot leave open for everyone. Some compliance saying, if you are storing the information about patient or the bank or the sensitive data related to some military or the data that's related to research, it's very sensitive. You cannot leave it open for everyone. Or for example, they are saying uh, the secure strong password should be there. There should be some vulnerability assessment, patch management should be there. There are certain rule and regulation uh, for the compliance which is applicable on your organization. It can be PCI DSS, HIPAA, ISO, SOX. It's depend upon what type of data you are dealing and what type of controls you need to implement. There are number of ways we put restriction on having access on the information of our organization. Okay, so follow me on the cybersecurity page and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members as well, so that they can understand a different type of information security controls and in which scenario which is implemented. Just not only one, multiple security controls or information security controls we implement to secure our data, because hackers are using different techniques to break those controls and want to get the information whatsoever they want. So follow me and I'll see you in the next session. Namaste.